Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. I have two DIYs for you. In DIY number one, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy summer theme decor DIY. I have these sand dollars that I purchased from Dollar Tree, some raffia, and the frame also was an old frame that I had from Dollar Tree from about a year or two ago. Pretty much I'm trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to place the shell and the decor inside of the frame itself. Just playing around with everything. I'm not really for sure how I'm going to put it in, but I know what I want it to look like. So I'm going to trim down a little bit of the extra decor and add it in with the frame. It's a little too bulky, so I'm going to go with idea number two. I'm kind of like playing around to see which way will fit because I really want to achieve this look that I'm going for. How how is everyone doing on today? I pray that you all are doing well. I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more, and even fake bakes. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So right now I'm just applying a little bit of hot glue to the corners just to make sure none of the cloth comes up in the frame. I want everything to stay in place like it is. So I add just a little tiny bit of hot glue to each corner. So I'm going to apply the frame, the backing of the frame to it. And once I apply the frame, then I figured that I could just hot glue the sand dollar to the front of the frame, which still came out perfect. And I love the look. It gave it a 3D look. So I'm pretty much playing around with it again to see which shell that I like the most. And I ended up going with the sand dollar. The sand dollar one I really, really like. So I'm going to add a generous amount of hot glue and also add a little bit of E6000 or tacky glue, any type of glue of your choice. Don't just use the hot glue itself. Hot glue and another glue. So we're getting ready to start on DIY number two. My daughter, I went and bought some of these baseballs from the Dollar Tree. I knew I could use them for a DIY. And my daughter said, Mama, you should make DIY beach balls out of these baseballs. I was like, okay. That's the greatest idea, Jayla. So pretty much I'm using all Apple Barrel paints. I'm using Apple Barrel Cool Blue, Apple Barrel Red Apple, and Apple Barrel Yellow. I'm going to use those three colors to create my beach ball. And I just want to give a shout out to my daughter for that brilliant idea. I wanted to make a special decor, but I wanted to add in something that was different that I've never done before to give that beachy and summer, not only beachy, but summer theme that makes you think of summer. So when my daughter gave me that idea, I knew I had to bring it to life. So pretty much you're going to take each part of the baseball and you're going to add red, you're going to add a layer of blue, and you're going to also add yellow. So you're going to do a pattern. You're going to do leave one area white and the other area red, then another area white, then the other area yellow. And you're just going to keep that same pattern throughout the whole ball until it starts to look like a beach ball. I really enjoyed painting this. So I pretty much ended up doing multiple balls like this. So you'll probably end up getting a community post from me sometime this week showing you what I did with the other beach balls that I actually painted. Oops, that one fell. You know, when you're crafting, there's never nothing perfect. Sometimes you get little bumps and mistakes along the way, but you just pick up where you left off at and you just keep right on going. So I'm just gonna fill in those areas that got smeared from the drop, and then we'll just go from there. So it's gonna take about 2 coats of paint to get the thickness and the desired look that I want. So pretty much for time's sake, I'm gonna add my 2 layers on kind of quickly. But if you're doing it at home with more time, you may, this is just my opinion and advice to you, do 1 coat, let it dry for about 30 minutes, then do another coat, then let it dry for about 30 minutes. And to give it a protective coat, add you a layer of Mod Podge on top so that you won't have to worry about anything smearing or scuffing or being scraped up when you start to add the beach balls to your decor. So pretty much I'm taking the fine paintbrush and I'm going through each crevice, trying to fill in the little spots to give it that real defined look of a beach ball. I'm going to do that for each color, for the blue, for the yellow, and as you can see, I'm doing it for the red. Because you really want it to be very clean cut. I'm giving you like a close view of how you will want your lines to be. I know right now the paint looks a little chunky on the ball itself, but once it dries, it's going to dry real smooth. Because of time purposes, I didn't wait for my different coats to really dry. So I was trying to give it the double coats in a quicker fashion. And I'm just going to sit it to the side to dry. And once you see what I do with it, then you will see for yourself that once the beach ball dries, it's not going to look cakey or thick. The paint is going to dry very smooth. Drop down in the comments below. Let me know. Let me know exactly how your summer is going. Just let me know. And it's not really summer yet, but I know a lot of the kids are on summer break. So I was saying that it's summer for my household in my area where I live because the kids are already out of school. June the 8th was my kids' last day of school. So to me, this is the start, official start for summer for me. So let me know what your plans are. If you have any plans, if you're just going to sit around the house and just relax. So right now I decided to do a decor piece, a nice decor box for this particular DIY with the beach ball. I'm going to add the beach ball in there, and it's going to be like a nice decor accent piece, like for your coffee table, for any part of your home, bathrooms, anywhere that you would like a nice summery and beach theme decor piece. So I'm adding the sand dollars. I'm also adding the star, the different shells that I have. And I'm also putting in my jute screen. I'm gonna probably end up moving the jute screen because as I looked through it, it started to look like it was too junky and too much. So you're gonna see where I'm gonna actually be applying some things, taking some things away, adding some things, putting it back, taking it away, just trying to get the perfect look that I would like. I wanted to add these regular little bag of shells to it, but once I looked trying to find a place for it, it just didn't sit well with what I was looking for decor wise. So I ended up taking it out. It looks so good. A nice beachy theme piece for your home. Beautiful beach decor and summer decor. So this is how DIY number 2 looks. and DIY number one looks with the frame decor piece. I really like how each one turned out. It gives such summer vibes for me. I love shells. I love all things beach. Just want to share some quick and easy ways to spruce up your house. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. And thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.